Are we ready? Can I just take my makeup? Hi, welcome to First Home Fabulous, and my name's... Damn it. Hi, I'm Carly Anne, and welcome to First Home Fabulous. This is my first ever renovation without my mum. We're gonna go through the bathroom, we're gonna go to the kitchen, lounge room, and all on no money. So come with me and I'll take you into this retro emporium. Actually, first, let me take you back to what it used to look like. Oh my God, first time in the new home. As of the past 24 hours, I am now a homeowner and soon to be renovator.
Painting is thirsty work.
I can also imagine this to feel very much how like my wedding day would be. That same kind of anticipation and nervousness and excitement, except I'm doing it by myself, which is even better.
Let's see how we go. I'm a bit bloody over it though, ready to just move in. I snapped the shower head off.
I am so excited for the next 6 months to just see how everything in my head actually comes to fruition and what it might actually look like out of my head and in the room.
Honestly, it looks exactly the same. I'm not sure what happened there.
All right, so I really need to hide this terrible MBN. So I'm thinking to add a high skirting board, which also makes it look really rich. Then I'm gonna get a travertine dining table in a circle shape. And I need to work out where to fit a record player. My God, this stuff takes so long to set up. So what I'm thinking I'd really like to do here is Mum and I went to a restaurant in Sweden called Greta's, which was all based around Greta Garbo and where she was discovered. So it was pink and gold. So I'm gonna change the whole bathroom to be pink and the tapware to be gold. I have found out I'm really not that great at painting.
Oh, I totally forgot I just painted that.
I am actually really good at saving. I'm trying not to buy into too much fast fashion. I want to source as much secondhand as I can. It comes with all these memories and stories from other people that make the place feel so much richer and homelier. Now for the bedroom. And I've got 3 ideas of how I want it to look. The first one is pink and red, like a Wes Anderson film. The second option is to really lean into the resort vibes because I've got a pool and palm tree looking out this window. Or do I want to lean into the bedroom being a really calm, monotone space? So leaning into those rustic materials and muted tones. This is going to be a hands-on deck renovation. So I'm going to be pulling favors in from all the friends, all the family, and hopefully they still love me in the end. I just need to keep them full of food and wine. Should I tell the viewers?
I'm telling you because you're measuring.
I'm saying I know. So as you can see, we've got quite the shell to work with. So come with me while I learn some terrible mistakes about colours and painting, while I start blending styles between different eras, and just the journey of life that gets in the way while you try to build a home.